So this is going to be a quick video on how to remove the battery from the Dyson V7 vacuum. It's a fairly simple process, but it's not detailed in any of Dyson's instructions. So here goes. To do this, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. This one has pretty sharp edges, so basically it's squared off as possible. And you just want to do that so you don't strip your screws. First step, open up the bin. Remove the cowl. Yep. And now remove the bin. Now we have the motor unit, and this right here is the battery. To remove the battery from the motor unit, you have to remove 3 screws. 1, 2, and 3. Some of them could be tight, so just be patient and use the right screwdriver, as you really do not want to strip these screws. Oh. With those 3 screws removed, you'll be able to separate the 2 components just like that. To put everything back together, you just slide it back in. Very simple process. And put the 3 screws back in place. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes, all told. This is useful if for troubleshooting. Basically, if your vacuum is not working, take the battery out, put it back in, see what happens. Also, after a few years, you'll probably want to replace the battery. Dyson sells aftermarket batteries, as do other manufacturers. So you could just swap out this battery pack for a new one and breathe new life into your V6, V7, V8, what have you. To put everything back together, put the 3 screws back in place, reassemble, and just periodically check to make sure that it's working. But don't press the trigger button until everything is back in place, particularly the bin and the cowl, because you don't want to get close to the motor unit in there. So yeah, that's how you replace the battery on the Dyson V7 vacuum. Thanks for watching.